Are you guys tired of seeing this tree yet? Because I am. It sucks you in. Good. This is choking me, and you're gonna see me doing this all night. Are you guys tired of seeing this tree yet? Because I am. So, welcome back to a vlog. This is gonna be not really a chit chat get ready with me, more so just me getting ready to go out. I feel like I had breath. I just ran upstairs. So, yeah, I did my nails today. Took about 3 to 4 hours. I did new nails. I told you guys before I was gonna do like IBD gel. So this is my first attempt, and plus it's Valentine's Day. So, well, not yet, obviously, but Valentine's Day is coming. So I don't know, tell me what you guys think. This is not the best way to show you guys my nails, but you kind of get the gist. So we are going out tonight, and I wanted to get cute just because I've been like looking bummy all day. So I am going to get myself together really quickly. I gotta learn to film TikToks, y'all. If somebody could teach me how to do dual like filming, that would be great. But I think my other camera's upstairs, and I know if I do it for a long period of time, it'll probably overheat. But that is ideal, honestly. So you guys know I've been doing my makeup by Mario. That's all I've been using on my face. Like, honestly, I don't even want to use anything else. I don't want to use another thing because I feel like it's so good. There's no need. So I'm gonna use again makeup by Mario. And what else I'm gonna do is I'm wearing a hat tonight, so I don't know how much stuff I'm putting on my forehead and all that kind of stuff because I'm wearing a hat. So I'm gonna do a very quick light beat just so my face looks nice and I feel like put together. I'm gonna put on those same lashes I had last time because they look so good, and I'm gonna put them underneath my eye like I did last time. And I was like, that looks so good. Oh, and I shaved my face. I shaved my underarms. Almost like maintenance fully, but I have to wash my hair. Like, not fully immerse my hair, but wash at least the actual weave hair, and wash, well, my tracks, I guess. And then wash my leave out again. So that's something else I probably do tomorrow. I didn't do it today. I could have probably done it today, but I didn't do it today. So I'm gonna do it tomorrow. If you guys like this robe, one of my kids gave this to me for Christmas. So sweet. Love that for me. And as you can tell, my freaking leave out has been like, it was good this week, but I could tell like when it starts building up. Good thing is tonight I'm wearing a hat, so even with the poof, it doesn't really matter. So I'm proud of myself with my nails. Actually, I was watching Jasmine Destine. I don't know if you guys know who she is. You probably should know who she is. She basically does her own nails, and she has she does her own nails, but she uses like not IBD. Oh yeah, she does use IBD or Apex nails. Those are like the full on press-ons. And for me, I just use the IBD with the half tips, which I've never done before. So I'm going to see if this lasts. Plus, I don't want my nails to lift. And that was, oh, my nose is about to be crooked, y'all. You see that? This is about to be crooked. So for the IBD gel, basically, she uses it. It's like a fill-in. So when I used to get my nails done, I used to get it done exactly like with the IBD. So I would only get fill-ins every time I would need to go to the nail salon. And I'm just happy that I could redo that again. Like, it's not so crazy anymore where I have to take the whole nail off and like it's ruining my nail beds. And my nails were pretty good underneath there. So I was like, I could actually continue to do this. So I feel very proud right now that I did this, and it's going to be like a fill-in. And I don't know what else to say besides I feel proud. Like, I figured it out. And it doesn't take that long. It's like one individual nail at a time. I was trying to think of like how my nail tech used to do it. I think she used to do more than just one at a time though. Like maybe 2, then you had to cure it. But she told me like basically when you cure it, you put your hand upside down and it evens the gel out. And then you kind of just buff it with the nail file and make sure your nails are like all even. I'm still getting the hang of how to like paint evenly on my nails. That's the only thing. It's not like perfect yet. So, I mean, for me to just be doing it my first time with IBD, that doesn't look bad. If you guys hear all this noise in the background, it's my freaking, I don't know, water heater maybe or something that's making all that noise today. So the other thing I'm going to be doing is I feel like I'm going to wear this LA hat today, which I'm excited about. So it's beige instead of my New York Yankee hat. I'm gonna wear my beige LA hat, which I've never worn before, so this should be interesting. It's gonna be cute. So I think I'm gonna wear jeans with rips in it from, are these from Target? No, Abercrombie. I actually could do an Abercrombie haul because I have like quite a few Abercrombie like jeans. And I never wore these before, but every pair of jeans that I've worn so far from Abercrombie look really nice. So I feel happy that I could just put on a pair of Abercrombies, put on I think a crop top. I'm debating on, I do have a crop top white turtleneck, but I don't know where it is. So if I can't wear that, I'll figure out another top to wear, but either way, I'll still be cute. This is a very fast beat, maybe 15 minutes. So we're not doing eyeliner today. We're doing the bare minimum. The point is to look like you're well put together, but you didn't try too hard. As long as we can do that, we're good. My Chanel powder I feel like this has transformed the way my makeup looks, honestly. Like if you guys have seen my videos lately with my makeup and it looks like so flawless, I feel like a part of that is this new powder that I've been using. Like please contribute that, or attribute that to this, because I don't know what I did to make my makeup look so different, but it's definitely, I feel like a part of this powder is a part of that. Like that new routine and that contour. Just feeling like that combination together is giving what it needs to give. Well, this is not exactly what I wanted, but this will do. So I'm going to take this brow freeze, which I feel like doesn't really even work. And, oh, you know what? I need to get that refried brow stuff because I feel like that junk is crazy. I saw Monet use it and her eyebrows like laid like this and just stayed. So I'm going to use this, plus I'm going to have to use like some gel stuff in order for this to work, because I know by itself this doesn't lay flat. So I wish it stayed like this. It doesn't though. Like immediately I feel like my brows start moving and going different ways. The hairs, like they go back to the regular direction instead of staying like this. It's the only thing, because I love the way this looks and I thought it would be better. Maybe I'm not putting enough on, I don't know, but it doesn't stay like that. And it's a nice like hold at first, but it don't stay. I'm gonna use this will stay. My brows will stay in place all night. And plus you're really not gonna see too much of my brows again because I'm gonna have a hat on. So there were my Uggs. I don't know if I'm gonna use, oh, guess what guys, my Uggs sold. So I just recently posted on Poshmark some Uggs because I was like, I don't really want the diskette slippers anymore, because I have the other ones with the slingbacks. I don't even know what those are called. One is called Funk or something. I don't know exactly what it's called. But anyway, I was like, I don't want to have both pair of these. So I want to sell one. And I ended up putting it on Poshmark maybe like earlier this week, and they sold. It took like a while, and I gained like, I don't know, Poshmark's crazy because I gained like 200 something subscribers on that thing. I was like, oh, it's crazy out here. Like y'all really out here hard with Poshmark. What is going on? I was not expecting that at all. I knew it was going to sell because it kept like, people kept like favoriting it or adding it like as a following me, I guess, because of it, sharing the listing with people, I guess, that wanted it. But I've never sold anything on Poshmark before, so I didn't know what to expect, and it was easier than I thought. Much easier than I thought. Gonna go in with this flower powder. Guys, I hope this looks good because I don't know. If I don't look right, it's because I found these lashes randomly and I don't know. I'm glad I'm putting a hat on because I'm not really feeling these lashes. I don't even know like what happened to them, or like if they're too fluffy for my eyes and I'm not used to seeing myself with such fluffy lashes right now, or what it is, but we're gonna go with it. And see, it looks like my eye is closed and that's weird. I don't know. All right, so we're taking out these rollers that did not even curl my hair. I guess it wasn't hot enough when I put them on. Maybe it's just that one. Not feeling the best, y'all. See, this is a legit get ready with me where I'm not feeling like my prettiest self, just feeling like mad regular. This was missing a whole roller. I'm trying to hurry up so we can go out. Like my husband already left and he's like, oh, just meet me there. So I'm trying to get out of here. And I think that's a part of the reason why I don't feel like my best self, because when you rush to get ready, it's not ideal. Not ideal at all. So if I don't look like my best self like I normally do, it's because I'm rushing and I don't like how I really look. I don't have to do anything extra with my hair, which is good. So I'm just gonna lay this a little flatter. Y'all remind me to get some more lash glue, please, because the lash glue that I have, it's finished. I told y'all about this saga. Like, what is happening? Now that I've learned to like really do my lashes, if my lashes aren't fully done like the right way, it just doesn't look right to me. So we're gonna go with it. We're gonna go with it tonight. We're gonna make this as flat as possible right here, because this part right here is gonna be showing from my hat. The rest of my hair is not really gonna be showing, so I don't really want to do too much to this part. I just want this part to be flat and connected. Don't worry, y'all. Tomorrow I will be washing my leave out again. My edges right here and this side, just in case. So this, now when I put my hat on, this part will be sleeked. and I don't really have to worry about the rest of my hair. So don't worry about the top of my forehead. Don't worry about these baby hairs because I'm not going to lay them because I'm not going to take my hat off. So that should be good enough. And let me spray my face real good because I feel like it looks really dry and I don't want that for myself. So I'm gonna take my, y'all, it's gonna bother me so much that I feel like one of my eyes looks like it's closed. That was way too much spray. That's fine. My baby hairs are like a little bit laid, but not too laid. And this lip line, don't worry about because I'm gonna be wearing a hat, so it doesn't matter. So I will see you in a minute. Well, actually, should I blend that in just in case? Like, what if I take my hat off? I'm not gonna take my hat off, y'all. Trust me. Because my hair is not like perfectly laid. Yeah, I'm not taking my hat off at all. But I'm gonna go get ready and I'm gonna come back and show you my full fit. I'll be back. So I just put on a lip and I just threw on my Cocoa, what is that? The Cocoa lipstick from Juvia's Place with my MAC Honey Love and the Butter Gloss by NYX in Fortune Cookie. So that's what's on my lips right now. Nothing too crazy. Okay, so this is what my fit is looking like. I am going to show you guys what it looks like completely. And remember how I said like I gotta like kind of tuck it behind my ears? And yeah, so let me show you my fit. Fit of the night is this Aritzia jumpsuit. So y'all, I know this is not ideal how I do this. I'm doing it for the content. All right, so fit of the night, Aritzia jumpsuit. This is this one. I don't know how to explain it. Spaghetti strap. It sucks you in. Good. So that's what I have on, and I have on this crop top ensemble. What is this? Hoodie. Hot crop top hoodie. I have on this LA hat from Amazon, and I'm gonna just brush my hairs out. And I think I'm gonna wear my Uggs. I don't know if I'm gonna wear my Ugg Tasmans or my other ones. Either way, I'm gonna wear one pair of my Uggs, and that's it. I should spray my face a little bit more. I don't know where. Oh, here's. Oh, and my Chanel earrings from Etsy, I think. Okay. So I hope you guys like this fit. Feeling like I look kind of cute, not like I'm trying too hard. And I don't know where my socks are, like my cute socks that I could wear. But yeah, this is kind of cute, y'all. Like, it's the hats, I think. It's the fact that I can wear hats now that I'm like really feeling myself with the hats. But yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna go. This is choking me, and you're gonna see me doing this all night. I gotta go put on deodorant. Oh, scent of the night is, what do I want to smell like? Because we're not doing too much, just enough, we are gonna wear another 13. This is Santal. Ugh, it's just so like effortless, light, perfect. Gonna go sit at the bar, walk in, smelling delicious. Hopefully I don't have any stains on this shirt, but I'll probably go by the end of the night. I'm gonna get ready to go. Let me just take my phone with me. How do I look, y'all? How do I look? How do I look? Oh, snap. I only got 4 minutes on a 128 GB memory card. Okay, well, I gotta go. So I will talk to y'all later.